Alright guys, real quick, I'm going to show you 3 good ways that you can build a business just using your smartphone. Let's jump into this. But before we get started guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can stay alerted whenever I post new content. Also, do me a favor and smash that like button if you found the content of today's video useful. Alright guys, so the first way is to make personalized videos or introduction videos or happy birthday videos. Things like that. You can go on a site like Fiverr, and I'll throw it up on the screen, and you can go on this site and you can use your phone to make little 30 to 60-second personalized videos. It can be anything from, like I said, happy birthday videos, congratulatory videos, or an introduction to somebody's business. You can get started with this right away, and you can charge however much you want. And you can find a lot of business with this because a lot of people are looking for little personalized or customized videos. So that's something that you can check out, again, just with your phone. The second thing I have for you is to become a freelance writer or editor. Yes, you can do this with your phone. A lot of keyboards have swipe keyboards, and these keyboards will automatically fix any grammatical errors that you have. You can also use the Grammarly app, and if you're not familiar with Grammarly, this is a app that's dedicated to fixing punctuations and grammar, and you can also, if you don't mind upgrading, you can also fix sentence structure. So it's a good way to be a freelance writer or editor straight from your phone. The next one and the most obvious one is YouTube. You can see tons of success and make lots of money online with YouTube. And again, all you need is your smartphone. You can create the video, you can edit the video, and you can upload to YouTube. You can respond to comments. Everything can be done from your phone. Alright, as a matter of fact, I'm going to add a fourth one for you guys today. And that's, you can flip products on your phone. You can use sites like eBay, Amazon, Facebook Marketplace, Let Go, Offer Up. You've got tons of options. You can find stuff out in the world and you can flip it. You can take pictures of it and you can flip it online. Alright guys, so I gave you 3 plus 1 ways that you could build a business online with your smartphone. There's nothing stopping you. All you need is a little bit of time, a little bit of creativity, and you can go a long way. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.